I have a BeeBeeCrafts haul. It's crazy to say, but I've been working with them for years now. I love their products. I also shop from them, but these items were sent to me. I do have a coupon code with them. It is Nicole20, and that will save you 10% off of your purchase. And they do offer free shipping as well. I believe it's you spend 20 and you can get free shipping. So let me show you guys what I got. So I think it was back at Christmas time that everybody was hauling these from Amazon. So this was 26 pieces for $9.59. So the ones off of Amazon, I ended up buying as well, but I didn't show them. And it was 10 pieces for $10. So this is a much better deal this way. And it was like all one color. So this is definitely a much better deal. You get 26 pieces and it is this velvet, but it has adhesive on the back already. So you can go ahead and die cut these. So I did it with the one off of Amazon. So I'm going to try it with this one. But you get a whole variety of colors, where the other one was just like one pack was one color. So let's flip through the different colors here. See, I had bought white at Christmas time. Ooh, there's a purple. This would be nice to have had back in December because I could do like reindeers and like Santa face. Oh, I like this like mustard color that reminds me of like Maggie Holmes. Oh, this is like another like could be like a face color for the reindeer. Ooh, I like that green. That's a dark, beautiful green. Oh, look, for Halloween we got an orange, some black, yellow, blue. Oh, this is like a fuchsia pink. Oh my gosh, I love this red. This is like my favorite color right here, like a dark red. Oh, I love that. We have another like very light baby pink. Like it's kind of like a gray brown. Oh, that is like very Valentine's Day Christmas red. And then a little bit darker gray. So I love this pack. I love that it comes in a variety of colors. I'm so happy I found that. It comes with 16 more pieces and it's the same price. So I cannot wait to try to die cut this and see if it works. So stay tuned because I will do an update video on that. So my next item is $6.92 and it's like a 12 by 12 sheet of felt. So it's really nice. It's kind of like stiff, but it's still like flexible. So again, I want to try to die cut these. So I have this like orange, I have a yellow. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of like Tweety Bird yellow. There is this like, again, like fuchsia looking pink. There is a red, like a baby yellow. Just kind of like a yellow, kind of like brown, kind of maybe be able to pass for a skin tone. We'll have to see. Then there is another pink, oh my gosh, another pink, and another pink. Oh my goodness. So here's kind of like a little sample of all the different colors that came in this one. So I'm going to die cut these again for Valentine's Day. So I have more than enough there that I can go ahead and die cut and play with. I don't think I mentioned, but I will definitely leave all the links down below for you guys so you don't have to go searching on there. I'll have everything right there. I'll also have my coupon code in the description box for you guys. So I love that they do so many items in cases already. You'll see from my haul that I want to say like half of it came already in a case. So perfect. I love that. So this bead kit was $5.87. And look at the whole variety that you get right here. We have red beads. We have pink beads. We have seed beads. We have charms. We have like specialty beads like these roses right here. We have hearts over here that are solid and see-through. We have these gold hearts. I love these stripy ones. I actually want to save those for Christmas time. I love that. That's like total candy cane vibes. Oh, look, we have some alphabet beads that look like standard ones. So whatever I don't use out of here, I can go ahead and mix with what I already have in my stash. We have clay beads down here, some clay hearts, some more of these like specialty heart beads. And it comes in its own case. Y'all know that buying this double closure case right here, you know, costs $1 or $2, so you can already take that off. So this is very, very affordable with all the mix of beads you get in here. So I love this set. Watch me use this up. I'm gonna see if I could go ahead and figure out a way to use all of these. Now let me see if these fit on Pokie tools or pins. Hold on. Now I'm always looking for smaller beads that will fit on pins and Pokie tools, and these kind of look like they have a large hole. So if I twist this one, once I get it past the thread, I bet I'll slip right on. But I'm not going to try to do that right now because I don't want to have to try to take it back off. But it does fit on a Pokie tool. So that's really good. Love that. Okay, this one fits on a Pokie tool nice and easy. Again, kind of a little stuck on that pin there. What about this one? I like the little shape of this one. It's got like little cuts to it. Oh yes, look, this one fits perfect on a pin. So if it fits on our pin, it'll fit on our Pokie tool. Not so much on there. Nice. Okay, this is going to be really fun. Yes, another small one that fits on the pin. Okay, love it. I think this one might fit on the pin too. Let's see. Oh, maybe not. Nope. Ooh, maybe there's too much extra paint in there because that one did not want to fit on our Pokie tool either. Interesting. Nope, this one doesn't even fit on our Pokie tool. Interesting. Okay, so tons to play with. Cannot wait. Stay tuned. Oh, let's try this gold one. I gotta try this one too. Pretty. It fits on the pin. Okay. Stay tuned, guys. I'm already getting all kinds of little ideas there for that. Let's see. Our next item was... Okay, these are gorgeous. 18 pieces, $5.79. So you guys know that my mom does crochet, but I've said several times that she's having problems with her hands right now. So I went ahead and I found these on there, and I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get them off of the website. So that way, if you guys don't crochet either, you now have a place where you can get some little heart appliques for your Valentine's Day crafting. So we have this very light cream color. That's what they look like. This is kind of like a peachy color. We get 3 of those. We get 3 of the light pink. We get 3 red. Love the red. 3 of this like darker pink, and then 3 pink. So you can actually see right here where the stitching is, and you can get a jump ring through there. I would get it in between these 2 stitches right here. So you see you have the chain right here on the edge, and then you have this one right here that is part of the curve. I would stick a jump ring between those 2 and then go ahead and hang this as like a little dangle if you wanted. Or you could go ahead and just put glue on the back and glue these down as a layering piece. Both ways would be very, very cute. Next up, we have 10 pieces for $6.79. And it is, look at how pretty these are. Oh, I wish I would have got these back at Christmas time too. These are giving me such Christmas vibes. Look at how pretty that is. Look at that one too. Oh, these are gorgeous. So we have this little heart. God, they're so pretty and sparkly. Okay, I totally need to do a purple little project to use that one. This one could be like a winter one as well. It's just white and blue. There's another white and blue. Got a dark blue. Kind of like a skin color one. Like if you were doing a coffee project, this would be really pretty to use for that. We have a pink and we have a black. Definitely saving this for Halloween time. How pretty would that be? Those are really, really nice. Those are gorgeous. So we got those. Okay, this one was a whole bunch. I don't know what I was thinking. It was $13.11 for 100 pieces. What am I going to do with all of these? I don't know. I saw them and I needed them in my life. And now that I'm thinking about it, I'm like, 100 is a lot, crazy girl. So it comes with clear rhinestones in the back, red rhinestones or pink ones. So pretty. I love these. The outside is a little beaded heart frame. Then the inside has that gold bow and then the different colored rhinestones in there. they're gorgeous. Like, even look at the back of them, has texture to it. They're just absolutely stunning little charms. I will definitely have to be working overtime trying to use all of these though. They're just so pretty. Like, how could I not get them? This pack was 50 pieces for $2.49, and like, who doesn't need bows, right? I saw this and I'm like, this is perfect. It comes with every little color you could ever need. It has our purple, it has like our Cinderella blue, we have red, we have white, we have a cream color, we have green. Did I miss any in here? Oh, there's a yellow in here as well, a gray. I think that's all the colors there. So tons of options here. The red and the white, and even that cream I could definitely use up for Valentine's Day. So I don't like making bows. Could I have technically bought a ribbon and made these? Yes, but that's just so much work. It's just easier to buy them, especially when it's so affordable. 50 pieces for $2.50. That's just a really good deal. We are down to our last two items here. This next one is 60 pieces for $5.26. And I love the little case it came in. Look at how cute this little case is. So cute, right? So these are lobster clasps, and you get green, yellow, light blue, pink, purple, and red. So I will definitely be making some Valentine's Day little bead dangles, and I thought these would be really cute to go ahead and add to that. So I got that pack, and then once you use those, keep your little case, and you can use it for other items as well. My last little item was $5.09. Oh, I didn't write how many pieces this came with. So these are technically stitch markers for when you crochet. But when I saw them, I'm like, those are just really cute just to have and to use with my bead dangle. So that's why I went ahead and I got them. So they're not technically for, you know, little bead dangles, but hey, we can still use them that way, no problem. Look how pretty these are. I love that it came like on a little loop to like hold it all together. So these are already done little bead dangles. So if you struggle with making little things like this, these are already done. So yeah, go look up stitch markers and see what you can find. I found these in the Valentine's Day theme, so I grabbed them. I love the little bead right here that's like printed little hearts. So this one says love. We have a couple with bows. We have some with like a little love note. And I think there's a butterfly. Oh, look, here's a different heart right here. And then here is the butterfly as well. So this is a lot of little stitch markers on here. Let me see how many there are. So if I counted correctly, there are 20 already done little bead dangles for you guys. How stinking cute are these? I'm sure that you could go ahead and attach these to like your beadable pin or a Pokie tool. You'll just need to add a jump ring and then clip this on. So you already have a little dangle all set, all ready to go. Put these on like a tag or hang it off of like a little book spine, you know, just to add a little extra something. So I love that these are all nice and completed for me already. So that's my little haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I'll leave a link with all of these products. I will also leave my coupon code for you guys down below, which is Nicole20. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to help, and happy shopping. We'll see you later. Bye, guys.